Go.
Field Connect multi-tool, an alternative to a 60 or 70 pound glorified T-post puller. Just remove our cable. Put our clamp around the probe. Make sure it's nice and tight underneath the cap. Tighten her down. Break the suction that the soil has. Then all you gotta do is work the probe up. And you just pull the probe right out of the ground. As you can see on the bottom side, pretty tight fit. There's no movement here, so we don't have to worry about breaking this connector off. And this tool also works if you want to take the cap off, gives you something to hang on to. So, just an alternative, about $250 for one of these. So, that's what we got.